No, it should be fine. Hi everyone, I'm Deborah from DMB Car Seats, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Britax MaxWay Plus. So the first thing we want to do is install our tethers in the car. These can be quite daunting when you're used to ISOFIX. So all you need to do is take your tethers, find a gap under your seat rail at the front, wrap the tethers around through the little loop, and then pull them to the back of the car to where the point is on the rail, where the bolt holds the rail in place. So we do that on both sides. The tethers on these are quite long, but we can tie them up at the end. So both tethers are now in and they're under the rails and secure. The next thing we want to do is install the car seat. Ensure that you can drop your leg straight to the floor when you install it, and make sure the leg is out. We're going to take the car seat belt, pull as much slack out as possible. We're going to pop it through the first hole in the seat. Then we're going to thread it under the cover. Grab the seat belt with your other hand, take it back through the other gap, and then we're going to pop it back out through the hole, down through the blue clip, and then we're going to click it into the seat belt. The next thing we want to do is remove all the slack out of the seat belt to give a secure install. To do this, we can put our weight in the seat, and then you just pull the slack out from the lap part of the belt through, and then clip it into place with the blue clips. Both parts on this side, and on the other side, leave this part out. So both parts of the belt are now clipped into your blue clips. The next thing we want to do is drop our leg just so it's just touching the floor, and then attach our tethers into the back clips. Once the tethers are attached, you're just going to pull as hard as you can until you hear the leg click into place and the green part stays visible. Pull the tethers as hard as you can to remove all the slack, and that's it. That's the MaxWay Plus installed into your car. Thank you.